This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable shot glasses, specifically these Tulip shots with stands. Each stand fits 12 of these 1-ounce Tulip shots, and you can see it's a lovely clear base, and they just pop right into those little holes, and they're held securely in place. They're made from a durable, high-quality plastic, and each of these 1-ounce shot glasses features a lovely little flared rim for a cute tulip design and a great little stem, making them easy for both your staff and your customers to handle. They're perfect for a speedy service of shots and shooters, or just if you're going to do something like a sampling, say maybe a little ice cream, a drink, like if you want to sample some wine. They're a great way to add an adorable, extra special touch to the drink service at your next wedding or event, making them perfect for party planners or caterers that are looking for unique and whimsical ways to spice up their presentations.